Today I have a message for all Quebecers of all generations and all regions. In recent weeks, the virus has been spreading throughout Quebec. The number of positive cases is growing every week. The problem we have is mainly community transmission between friends and families. I'm very worried of what's happening. If the virus continues to spread, people will be hospitalized, some people will die. I'm worried also for people who need to be treated. I'm worried for our children. We cannot close our schools. Our children need it. I'm also worried for our businesses, for our workers. So the situation is worrying, and we must act now. It's not easy to have any kind of intervention in housing, with the police giving penalties. It's not easy. So it's a very big challenge. So that's why I'm asking each Quebecer to be responsible, to try to limit the number of people in gatherings, and when you do so, to be careful, to keep your distances and wear a mask.